Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to the EVS class. Yes, in the previous class, we have learnt about our neighborhood. The places in our neighborhood are market, hospital, school, post office, fire station, bus stop, police station, park. These are the places around us. Then, our neighborhood. See here, the people who live near our house are our neighbors, and the people who live in an area and the places in it make up the neighborhood. Now, already we have discussed about neighbors and neighborhood in page number 29, and in page number 30 also the places we have discussed. Only two places we have discussed, that is, one is the market and the second one is the hospital. Yes, already you have seen the market. In that, from that market, what the things we will get from the market: milk, fruit, vegetables, pulses, all these things, whatever the things we use daily, we'll get those things from market. Then hospital. If we go to the nearest hospital or clinic when we get hurt or fall ill, and who will be there in the hospitals means doctors, nurses, sisters, etc. will be there in the hospital, and they will treat us well and they will take care us good. Now today we are going to see, this is the market, children, and this is the hospital. Already everyone know the hospital and market. Today we are going to see about the police station. Have you seen the police, children? I hope that everyone know police, right? In our neighborhood also, police is also one. Police station is also one of the place. Here, what the police will do, and in that police station, who will be there in that police station, we will see, children. And then a police station, I am reading page number 31. The police station, it's a subheading, and I am reading the first paragraph. A police station is the office of the local police. It is the office of the local police. Local police means who are staying locally. Those are called local police. And the police station, it is an office for the local police. The police help to keep our neighborhood safe from thieves and robbers. What the police does, they keep our neighborhood safe, because yes, they keep our neighborhood safe from whom? Thieves and robbers. Have you heard the word thieves, children? Robbers. They make sure that people follow rules and live peacefully with each other. What the police will do, they'll keep our neighborhood safe from the thieves and robbers, and still what they do, they make sure that people follow all the rules. Some of the rules are given by the police, and we must follow the rules and live peacefully with each other. Then this is about police station, and the next one is the bank. We keep our money and jewelry in the bank. Yes, have you seen bank, children? So many banks are there in our neighborhood, and what we do in that bank means we keep our money and jewelry in the bank. We keep all the money, whatever the money we are having, and the jewelry we are having, we will keep in the bank. Banks keep them safe for us. And why we have to keep in the banks means banks keep that jewelry and money safe for us. Bank also lend money to people to buy a house, a car, or to study. And what the banks also do means they lend money, means they give loans to the people. For example, to buy a house, if some didn't have approximately money, then they'll go to the bank and they will lend money from the bank to buy a house or a car or to study. Then many neighborhoods have an ATM. Many neighborhoods have an ATM. Maybe I think so. Around your places also ATMs are there. Then an ATM is an automatic machine that allows people to take money out from the bank anytime. ATM means automatic machine. Then anytime we can go and take out the money from the ATM. This is about the bank, children. In that bank, so many people works there. In the police station also, so many people work will be there. And today we have seen about the police station and the bank. This is a picture of police, and this is about the bank. And now today we are going to now take page number 32, the park. Yes, children, everyone loves a park, right? Why? Every person in the world loves park. Why? Because uh, we get the fresh air from there. We can play a lot of games there, and so many can do exercises there, and so many do walking there. So many things we can do in the park because it is a clean and green place. We can get the fresh air from that place. That's why everyone enjoys there. See, we go to the park to play and to exercise. So many people go to the park to play and to exercise. Some people go there to meet and talk to others. What some people will do, some people go there to meet and talk to other person. Then parks are big places with plants and trees where people enjoy fresh air. Yes, here so many trees are there. That's why we will get fresh air. Some parks also having swings and slides for children to play, and in some parks also having swings and slides for children to play. Then this is about the park. And about the fire station. If a building in our neighborhood catches fire, we call the fire station. If a building in our neighborhood, any building is caught up of fire, then we will call the fire station. People who put out fires are called firefighters. People who put out fires are called these are called firefighters. They come in a fire engine. See the vehicle they'll use, that is called a fire engine, and the people who are put out the fires are called firefighters. And that building and everything we call it as a fire station. This is about the fire station. Then see children, swinging and slides are there here, and this is the fire station. And now take page number 33, the post office. We go to the neighborhood post office when we want to send letters to our friends and relatives. Nowadays no one are sending letters to their friends and relatives, children. Everyone are posting the messages and WhatsApp messages and Facebook messages, Twitter. Everyone are using these technology only, children. In past days they are used to write letters for their friends and relatives to share something. Then we buy stamps at the post office. We also send money and parcels by post. By post we can send money and parcels, children, and we buy stamps at the post office. Then our neighborhood is, this is about the post office. And have you seen postman or postwoman? They works here in the post office only, children. Then these are the places about our neighborhood. The first place we have seen the market, and the second place is the hospital, and the third place is the police station, and the fourth one is the bank, and the fifth one is the park, and the sixth one is the fire station, and the seventh one is the post office. These are the places we have seen in our lesson, and this is about our neighborhood. Then our neighborhood is where we live. Our neighborhood means where we are living is called a neighborhood. We must keep our neighborhood clean. What we have to do, if we keep our neighborhood clean, we must keep our neighborhood clean. We must not throw garbage on the streets. Yes, children, we should not throw any garbage on the streets. We can also plant trees to make our neighborhood green and beautiful. We can also plant trees to make our neighborhood green and beautiful. Why? Because we are staying there, we are living there, that is our neighborhood. That's why we have to keep our surroundings clean and green. This is about our lesson, children. And now in page number 33, you have to complete the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the words from the box. People who live near our homes or our a space has given. In that you have to write down the answer. The people who live near our house are our dash. Guess the answer and write down, children. Second one, we buy fruits, vegetables and other things from the where we get all these things, fruits, vegetables and other things. Guess it and write down the answer. Next, third one, we keep our money safe in the dash. Where we keep the money, children? Then fourth one, when we are ill, we go to the dash. When we are ill, we go to the dash. Where we will go? Then look at these pictures, write the names of the places below each picture. Tick the places that you find in your neighborhood. What is this place, children? You write down the place. If the place is in your neighborhood, you put a tick mark. And for the second picture also. This is the post office, children. The post office symbol is here. This is the post office symbol. And next, in page number 34. In page number 34 also, see the picture, children, and write down the name, the place name, and if it is in your neighborhood, put a tick mark. Here also you write down police station, picture name, and school name and park name. And this is your homework, children. You have to complete page number 33 and 34. This is your homework. And what you have to do is you have to draw a flow chart. Here it has given starting of the lesson. Like this you have to draw one flow chart in a rough notes and send it in the WhatsApp group in the evening, children. Oh, thank you, children.